Most beginners train their core completely wrong. They rush into fancy ab exercises before they can even brace. If you want a core that looks great and functions better, start with these 5 simple exercises. And at the end, I'll show you how to program these for best results and the standards to hit before advancing your core training. The Spider-Man plank is my go-to because it can be regressed and progressed forever. Start in perfect push-up position. Hands under the shoulders, feet back, and then tuck your pelvis forward. This is the starting position. If you struggle here, drop your elbows for a traditional plank. Make it harder by moving your hands further out or adding weight. Next up, to train our obliques or the side of our core, we have the side hold. Stand straight and tall with the glutes and abs squeezed. Fight the urge to lean in either direction. Don't let the weight pull you down, but don't lean the other way either. Use dumbbells, a barbell, or a Smith machine, whatever is most convenient. Lifting straps will also likely be needed. This is a core, not a grip exercise. Most people forget the lower back is part of the core. Back extension holds are a great way to safely train the lower back. We are focusing on keeping a slight but not excessive arch. Press your hips into the pad while squeezing your glutes. Hold the weight wherever is most convenient, be it on your back, a plate or dumbbell, or even Zercher style in the elbows. Our last 2 exercises are beginner 2.0, before you start chasing higher levels. And at the end, I'll share the standards you need to hit. Working on the anti-rotation helps connect the core muscles. Our core isn't a separate front, side, and back. Everything is connected. Training anti-rotation is a great way to train all the bracing functions of the core. Simply stand straight and tall with a band or cable machine trying to pull you. Don't twist in either direction. Now for a move that is foundational to the core strength of gymnasts, the hollow body hold. Lay flat and try to close the arch, pressing your lower back hard into the ground. Continue pressing it hard until your shoulders and feet come off the ground. A good test is have someone's hand go under you. Once in position, it shouldn't be easy for them to remove it. If it is too difficult, leave your feet on the ground or even bend them and focus only on pulling the ribs down and crunching forward. Add weight to make it harder. Now let's cover a few programming tips to utilize these properly. First, don't rush to more advanced movement-based core exercises. Get a really strong foundation and really good at bracing first. Second, do these 1 to 2 times a week for 3 to 4 sets, lasting between 30 and 60 seconds. I would only pick 3 of these to do at any one time, but I wanted to give some options that you could experiment with. An example might be back extension holds 1 time a week for 4 sets of 30 seconds, side holds or anti-rotations 1 time a week for 4 sets of 30 seconds, Spider-Man planks or hollow body 1 to 2 times a week for 4 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Progress them forward aiming to add weight or duration each week while keeping good technique. As you stop progressing or just get bored, swap out some of the other variations. As far as when you become not a beginner anymore, good criteria is hollow body hold, 30 seconds. Side hold, 75% of your body weight for 30 seconds. Back extension hold, 40% of your body weight with a barbell for 30 seconds. Anti-rotations. The standard does change here whether you're using a band or a cable, but do regularly and hit the other standards. Spider-Man planks, hands about 6 inches from your head for 30 seconds. Once you can do that, keep an eye out for our intermediate core routine in a few weeks. Build your base, don't skip steps, and you can get better than you thought possible.